How to highlight the text in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on a Android device and then select on the chat that you want to send the highlighted text on. So tap on the message box over here, and what you need to simply do is, as you can see, so if I want to send a message over here like hello, so it's very basic, right? So in order to highlight the text, what I can simply do is just go back and then tap on asterisk and then type the message and then asterisk again. There you can see the text has been highlighted and it's in bold. So that's how you highlight the text in WhatsApp, and then you can just tap on send and it will be sent. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.